Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Tools folder by tapping on it and choose Recorder. Now you should click Allow in the pop-ups, but I already did that, so I can click on the red button right away to start my recording. You can add a bookmark by clicking on this little flag icon at the bottom left. And if you wish to pause or unpause your recording, click on the red button again. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one on this checkmark icon. Name your recording however you wish to, and from here you can choose delete and get rid of it right away, or tap on save, and as you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to delete it from here though, you can always do that by holding it and clicking on this delete icon at the bottom right corner. Now just delete all recordings and it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!